Hi, I am Priyanka Shokant.
And I am Manas Mehra, and we developed a game called Black Holes Into the Abyss, tailored to educate people about black holes and the various concepts associated with black holes. To develop this game, we used Unity, an open source software that allows users to build 2D and 3D games. Unity provided us with all the necessary software development kits and tools, and the coding language used during the process was C#. The game consists of mainly 3 sections: a quiz, a fun mini game, and the learning section. The learning section comprises of an animated video created completely by us. The animation touches upon all sorts of topics related to black holes, from its birth till its death. It talks about topics such as supernova explosions, singularity and event horizons of black holes, and even theories such as the Hawking radiation. The second section of the game consists of an interactive quiz where users can test their knowledge about black holes. The quiz consists of hundreds of different questions on all sorts of topics about black holes, wormholes, and even time dilation. The final section is a fun mini game where users have to evade black holes and destroy enemy spaceships. The game consists of high scores, number of lives left, and even power-ups. The journey was certainly a difficult one, especially the coding and the animation parts of it. The frequent coding bugs did give me a hard time, but nevertheless, the journey was a good learning experience.
Now, this is our future plan for the game. First of all, we'll upload the game on Google Play Store and make it available for people to download the game, play it for free, and then provide us feedback. Further on, based on the feedback that we receive, we'll try to expand to our game by adding on more aspects of the space to learn about other than just black holes. This way, hopefully, we develop a game that everybody can play and learn more about space in such a fun and easy manner. Coming to the role of each member towards this project, I contributed to this project by discovering the problem and the solution, setting future goals for the development of the game, along with deciding the aesthetics of the game. Meanwhile, my teammate Manas was responsible for developing the game, which includes the spaceship game, the quiz, and the educational video about black holes through hard coding.